And today I have a question. Just a minor question about bodywork. And if you want to call me crazy, you can, because after all, I'm building this. Well, today we have not just a few fans in the shop, we have all of my fans. All right, I have a question. I'm gonna put this video out real quick, see what people think about what I'm doing here. My dilemma is, well, you buy these fiberglass parts and through no fault of your own, I mean, nothing I did caused this, they don't quite fit like they're supposed to, so you have to lengthen them. All right, that was my fault. The other thing is these mounting tabs aren't really long enough to reach where there's holes underneath here on the car body. And of course back here it's because I've got the wide fender flares on. So I have a plan, and my plan is to mount these to the factory side skirt, and then I'll have all the mounting points of the factory side skirt. The factory side skirt will be basically epoxied to this, and it will just snap in with the normal plastic pop clips. These will have to get cut off. They're not long enough anyway to reach underneath where the actual mounting point is, and they push this thing out of line and turn it down and out if I mount it to the original plastic part of the car. Effectively, this will be going inside of this. These tabs will have to be cut off flat, and this will all get bonded to this. That will help hold this edge nice and straight, because this edge on this fiberglass part has a bit of a curve to it. Then I'll have all my mounting points, including the one right there that's cracked, and all my mounting points here, and it should be able to be just snapped onto the car and snapped off. The only thing I'll have to do is add an additional mounting point at the top on this end and on the front end. I have a feeling that that just might sort of work until it doesn't work and I have to start completely over. So the question I have for the fans is, has anybody tried to fiberglass to that factory plastic that the side skirts are made out of? And, well, all in all, do you think it's going to work? All right, hold it down a little bit. It's getting a little windy in here. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Have I ever mentioned that I really don't like fiberglass work? I mean, I fiberglassed an entire boat floor in one time, and I will never do that again. You can't pay me enough. But this shouldn't be near as bad. I hope. Excuse me? What did you just say? You know you just lied. If you go back and look through your boat building playlist, you'll see that after you built your boat, you agreed to rebuild a buddy's floor and transom in his airboat. So don't be lying like that. No, wait. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. Probably shouldn't be lying like that, especially when I got all the fans right here watching.